Are you in need of converting AOL files to various other formats? We've got the perfect solution for you, an amazing tool by SysTools that makes it easy to convert AOL files to various formats. To install the SysTools AOL PFC Converter software, download it from the link in the video description. Let's take a look at the key features of this AOL converter. Convert AOL PFC to multiple formats: PST, MSG, EML, MBOX, PDF, HTML, etc. Direct migration to Office 365. Export PFC files to admin or user mailboxes. Email preview and filtering. View PFC emails and apply date range filters before conversion. Wide compatibility. Supports all AOL desktop files and works on Windows and Windows Server. After installing the AOL PFC converter, simply launch it. Go to the Add File button. This tool provides users with two options to load AOL PFC files: the Select File option to manually browse and add the file, and Search File option to automatically locate all AOL PFC files. Users can choose either one of the available options. The Scan mode auto-reads PFC files after loading to display mailbox structure and emails for preview before conversion. After selecting AOL file, click on the Add button. A panel showing the entire structure of selected file will appear on the left. Click on the file to preview its contents. Our tool has a section that shows if an email contains attachments. Select an email to view the message. Our tool provides multiple view options as per user requirements, such as normal view, hex view, properties, etc. This tool only displays relevant information in the preview section. Check on checkbox to select individual or all mails that you want to convert. To convert the selected mails, use Export Selected option. Users have the option to export the mails in other formats such as PST, PDF, MBOX, MSG, EML, HTML, and many others. Let's select the PST option for this tutorial. Tool has advanced settings option to precise the conversion. Select the destination path where the converted PST file will be saved. Next, simply click Export, and the conversion process will begin. After a short while, a notification will appear on the screen indicating that the conversion process was successful. Click OK. A pop-up will display the export results, and users can also save the report as a CSV file. Let's take a look at the converted AOL files. That's all for this video.
Log on to the given product page for more detail in purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.